As we age, our bodies undergo changes that are inevitable, but that doesn't mean we can't age gracefully. For women over 50, maintaining a healthy lifestyle and making the right dietary choices can significantly impact both overall health and skin rejuvenation. In this video, we will delve into 9 powerhouse foods that are essential for your health after 50, showing how they can rejuvenate your body and help fight aging, particularly targeting skin health. Watch till the end for some practical tips and scientific insights to revitalize your life and skin. Why nutrition matters after 50. As we cross the threshold of 50, the body's metabolism naturally slows down, leading to weight gain, decreased energy levels, and even changes in our skin. The skin, in particular, begins to lose collagen, the protein responsible for its elasticity, making it more prone to wrinkles and sagging. But there's good news. What we eat can either accelerate or slow down this process. Studies show that a diet rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, and vitamins can significantly help to combat these aging effects. In fact, incorporating certain foods into your diet can not only keep you feeling young, but also rejuvenate your skin from the inside out. For instance, according to research published in the Journal of Dermatological Science, antioxidants such as those found in fruits, vegetables, and certain grains can help prevent skin damage caused by free radicals, a leading cause of skin aging. Why focus on food? A healthy diet provides your body with the necessary nutrients to keep your skin strong and glowing. Vitamins like C, E, and A, along with omega-3 fatty acids, play a crucial role in collagen production, inflammation reduction, and skin cell regeneration. Moreover, many aging-related diseases, such as diabetes and heart disease, can be managed or prevented through good nutrition, contributing not only to youthful skin, but also to a healthier, longer life. The top 9 foods for youthful skin and vitality. Number 1, broccoli. Broccoli is often hailed as a superfood, and it certainly deserves the title. Rich in vitamins C and K, this cruciferous vegetable is a powerhouse for both immune health and bone support. Vitamin C plays a pivotal role in collagen synthesis, which is essential for maintaining skin elasticity and preventing sagging. It is crucial for youthful, firm skin as it aids in tissue repair and skin regeneration. In addition, broccoli contains powerful antioxidants like sulforaphane, which help combat free radicals and reduce inflammation. Research has even shown that sulforaphane might lower the risk of skin cancers by neutralizing carcinogenic compounds in the body. Aim for 1 cup of steamed broccoli daily. It's versatile. Add it to salads, soups, or eat it raw as a snack for a nutrient-packed boost. A 58-year-old woman incorporated broccoli into her daily diet, and within 6 months, she noticed a remarkable improvement in her skin's texture and elasticity, proving that small changes in diet can have a big impact on aging gracefully. Number 2, eggplant. Eggplants are packed with powerful antioxidants like niacin, which is known for its ability to protect cell membranes from damage caused by free radicals. This is particularly beneficial for skin health, as niacin helps reduce oxidative stress and supports healthy, youthful skin. In addition to antioxidants, eggplants are a rich source of fiber and potassium, which can help lower blood pressure and improve cardiovascular health. A study published in the Journal of Food Science and Technology found that eggplants possess anti-inflammatory properties, which further support heart health and may reduce the risk of chronic conditions such as heart disease. Roast eggplant with olive oil and garlic for a delicious, heart-healthy dish. You can also add it to stews or soups for a boost of flavor and nutrition. A 60-year-old woman reported that after regularly including eggplant in her meals, her cholesterol levels improved and she felt more energetic, with her skin appearing healthier and more vibrant. This is a clear example of how nutrient-dense foods can improve overall health. Number 3, oats. Oats are a fantastic source of beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber renowned for its heart-healthy properties. Beta-glucan has been shown to lower cholesterol levels, thereby reducing the risk of heart disease, which is important as we age. But oats aren't just great for your heart. They also benefit your skin. The fiber in oats helps regulate blood sugar levels by preventing sudden spikes, which are known to trigger inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a major factor in premature skin aging and conditions like acne and eczema. Additionally, oats promote healthy digestion, which is crucial for nutrient absorption, ensuring your body has the necessary vitamins and minerals to maintain radiant, youthful skin. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition suggests that beta-glucan in oats also plays a role in boosting skin hydration, further supporting its rejuvenating effects. Begin your day with a warm bowl of oatmeal topped with antioxidant-rich berries or nuts for a nutritious breakfast that helps support your skin and overall health. A 65-year-old woman made oats a daily part of her breakfast for a month. She noticed a marked improvement in her skin texture, fewer breakouts, and a smoother, more even complexion, demonstrating how incorporating oats can benefit skin health. Number 4. Salmon. Salmon is a nutritional powerhouse, particularly due to its high content of omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats play a crucial role in maintaining healthy skin by reducing inflammation, promoting moisture retention, and preventing dry, flaky skin that can become more prominent with age. Omega-3s have also been shown to support skin elasticity, which is vital for maintaining a youthful appearance. Beyond skin health, omega-3 fatty acids are known to support brain health, lowering the risk of cognitive decline and conditions like Alzheimer's disease. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that regular omega-3 intake can improve skin hydration, elasticity, and reduce the appearance of fine lines, making it a key ally in the fight against aging. Aim to incorporate at least 2 servings of salmon into your weekly diet. Grilled or baked salmon with a squeeze of lemon is a delicious, heart-healthy option. A 62-year-old woman who added more omega-3 rich foods like salmon to her meals reported that her skin became more hydrated and youthful, with noticeable improvements in elasticity, proving the powerful effects of omega-3s on both skin and overall health. Number 5. Avocados. Avocados are a fantastic addition to any diet, especially for promoting healthy, youthful skin. Rich in monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, avocados help reduce bad cholesterol and improve blood circulation. This ensures that your skin receives the nutrients it needs to stay plump and hydrated. These healthy fats also help to lock moisture into the skin, preventing dryness and flakiness. In addition to healthy fats, avocados are packed with vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant known for its ability to protect the skin from oxidative stress caused by environmental factors like UV radiation and pollution. A study published in the Journal of Dermatological Science found that vitamin E is essential for protecting skin cells and reducing inflammation, which plays a significant role in maintaining youthful skin. Add half an avocado to your salads, sandwiches, or blend it into smoothies for a creamy texture and a nutritious boost to your meals. A woman in her 50s began incorporating avocados into her daily diet. Over time, she noticed a significant improvement in her skin's moisture levels, and fine lines around her eyes appeared less prominent, showing how this fruit can work wonders for skin health. Number 6. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are an excellent source of beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A is crucial for skin health as it supports cell turnover, helping to maintain smooth and youthful skin. Research published in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition highlights that beta-carotene, a potent antioxidant found in sweet potatoes, helps prevent skin damage from UV exposure and oxidative stress, which are major contributors to aging. Additionally, sweet potatoes contain vitamin C, which aids in collagen production, essential for skin firmness, and potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and supports heart health. The combination of these nutrients not only promotes glowing skin, but also helps lower the risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease, that are more common with aging. Bake or steam sweet potatoes and enjoy them as a side dish, or mash them for a healthy, low-calorie alternative to regular mashed potatoes. A 60-year-old woman who regularly included sweet potatoes in her diet noticed a significant improvement in her skin tone, with more even pigmentation, and found that her wrinkles appeared less pronounced. This simple dietary change had a noticeable impact on her overall appearance and skin health. Number 7. Black beans. Black beans are an excellent source of plant-based protein and fiber, making them an essential food for those looking to maintain muscle mass and support overall health as they age. Rich in antioxidants, including flavonoids, black beans help combat oxidative stress and reduce inflammation, which is a key factor in aging and skin deterioration. Studies, such as one published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, have demonstrated that antioxidants from plant sources like black beans can significantly lower the risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease and cancer, while also improving skin health. Additionally, the potassium found in black beans helps manage blood pressure, a crucial factor for heart health and skin vitality. As we age, maintaining muscle mass becomes increasingly important. Black beans provide a steady source of protein, which helps preserve muscle function, keeping you stronger and more active as you age. Incorporate black beans into salads, soups, or make a healthy black bean dip for a nutritious snack. A 55-year-old woman who switched to a plant-based diet with black beans reported not only a reduction in joint pain, but also improvements in her skin's elasticity, showing the broad benefits of including these nutrient-dense beans in your diet. Number 8. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a powerhouse of antioxidants, including beta-carotene and glucosinolates, which help reduce inflammation and protect the body against oxidative stress. Oxidative stress accelerates the aging process and contributes to the breakdown of collagen in the skin, leading to wrinkles and sagging. A study published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry found that glucosinolates in cruciferous vegetables like cauliflower have anti-inflammatory properties that may lower the risk of chronic diseases and help maintain youthful skin. Additionally, cauliflower is packed with fiber and vitamin C. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production and supports skin elasticity, while fiber promotes digestive health, which is crucial for nutrient absorption and maintaining radiant skin. Roast cauliflower with olive oil and spices for a healthy side dish, or use it as a low-carb alternative to rice in your meals. A 63-year-old woman who began incorporating cauliflower into her weekly meals noticed significant improvements in her digestive health, which translated into clearer, more radiant skin. This shows how focusing on gut health can directly benefit your skin's appearance. Number 9. Turmeric. Turmeric is well known for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, making it a highly effective spice for both overall health and skin rejuvenation. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, has been extensively studied for its ability to combat oxidative stress and inflammation, which are two of the main contributors to aging. Research published in the Journal of Clinical Immunology found that curcumin has significant anti-inflammatory effects, which may help reduce the risk of chronic conditions such as arthritis and Alzheimer's disease. Furthermore, curcumin has been shown to improve skin health by reducing redness, irritation, and the appearance of blemishes, making it a natural remedy for those looking to enhance their complexion. Add turmeric to soups, stews, or smoothies to enjoy its benefits. Pair it with black pepper to enhance the bioavailability of curcumin, increasing its effectiveness in the body. A woman in her late 50s started incorporating turmeric tea into her daily routine. She noticed significant improvement in her skin, with reduced redness and a healthier complexion, demonstrating how this golden spice can contribute to glowing skin. As we journey through life, aging is inevitable, but with the right choices, we can age gracefully and maintain our health and skin. The foods discussed today are not only delicious, but also packed with essential nutrients that can slow down the signs of aging, improve skin elasticity, and boost overall health. The key to successful aging lies in making small, consistent changes to your diet. By incorporating foods like broccoli, salmon, avocados, and sweet potatoes, you're not just improving your skin's appearance, you're also enhancing your body's overall well-being. It's important to remember that no single food is a magic bullet for aging. Rather, it's the combination of a variety of nutrient-rich foods that will provide the most benefit. The real lesson here is consistency. By making these foods a regular part of your diet, you're laying the foundation for a healthier, more vibrant future. So start small. Choose one or two of these foods and incorporate them into your meals this week. Over time, you'll notice the positive changes in your health and skin. Remember, age is just a number, and with the right diet and mindset, you can continue to feel vibrant and youthful no matter your age.